Somebody asked me yesterday, Raul, how do I create better habits? I always hear you talk about how your destiny is created by your habits, but I have a hard time breaking bad habits and creating new ones. So I texted him back, I said, your habits are a reflection of your choices. The choices that you make on a daily basis or the choices that you don't make. See, every single time that I make a choice, I ask myself, how am I making this choice? What's the viewpoint? What's the perspective that I'm making this choice? Am I making this choice based off a peasant mentality, based off a warrior mentality, or based off a king mentality? See, every single time that I make a choice based off a peasant mentality, I'm always a victim. I'm always looking for somebody to blame. I'm always looking to see what people want from me. The moment that I make a choice based on a warrior mentality, I'm always looking out for myself. The warrior only cares about himself. At the end of the day, he wants to burn shit to the ground and start over. The king is always looking for what's best for the entire community. The king is looking for what's best for everyone.